We are just 24 hours away from the one-year mark when 20 first graders and their educators were killed at Sandy Hook Elementary School. A somber anniversary that has sparked change around the nation,
including here in at least 2 mountain counties.
News 13's Karen Nguyen is live at one Buncombe County school tonight. And Karen, what are some of the changes that we've seen here?
Frank, more security officers at Buncombe County schools and more secure entrances at both Buncombe and Henderson County schools. And while one school administrator says progress has been made, he says a lot more work needs to be done.
Hello! How are you?
Glenarden Elementary got a new family member this year. On nearly any school day, Sergeant Heather Welch can be seen eating lunch with and reading to the children.
So, y'all read this book a lot? They get to see that it's okay to talk to us, that we're there to help them, not just to take people to jail and chase bad people.
It was the Sandy Hook tragedy that brought Welch, a former Reynolds High School resource officer, to the elementary school.
We had full-time school resource officers in our middle and high schools, but we started looking, is that enough? This was an elementary school that was attacked in Connecticut.
Lieutenant Mike Ruby says after Sandy Hook, the Sheriff's Department and Buncombe County Schools formed a task force. It worked on safety plans for 3 months. That led to 7 additional school resource officers and all schools getting a buzzer system for their main entrances. Sandy Hook also led to new electronic door access for all Henderson County elementary and middle schools. But Assistant Superintendent Bill Parker says more safety measures are needed in his county, especially in some multi-building schools that still have open walkways.
We would certainly like to see those buildings connected with an enclosed walkway for better security for the students so that they don't have to go outside between classes.
Parker also says some schools don't have their main office close enough to the main entrance, which needs to change.
It's such that folks, when they come into the building, have to go through the administration offices prior to going on into the school building.
Now, Parker says that the Henderson County Board of Education is in the process of pricing those remodeling jobs and hopes to have them completed over the next few years. Meanwhile, Lieutenant Ruby says that anyone with Buncombe County Schools parents really need to get familiar with the Buncombe County Schools safety plans. Parents are encouraged to read over that safety plan, and that can be found on the Buncombe County Schools website. Live in Buncombe County, I'm Karen Nguyen, News 13.